Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will discuss system themes. We will cover what is a theme, what is a system theme, the themes panel, and switching themes. A theme is a set of styles that can be applied to a project in one go. The theme gives you the initial styles for all of your elements and components so that you can start working. However, it is almost always overridden with other styles to comply with specific organization branding needs. You are required to select a theme when creating a Titan web project. The system theme is a theme that was created by Titan and is available to all Titan users. We provide 7 system themes to choose from. I'll choose Desert. And I will add a couple of example elements. Once you've started working, you have the option at a later point in time to switch to a different theme. All you'll need to do is open the Themes panel and select a different theme. If you already have your elements set up on Canvas in certain places and sizes, you will notice that if you change the project theme afterward, these elements will only change their overall appearance. Their sizes and positions will not change. This was done to prevent the layout from being affected when switching to another theme. And that is how it's done.